Hello, we are going to see some changes to the Identify tool available in Spatial 7603. So let's go to the asset application, for example, which is an application that supports spatial maps. In this application, we are going to select an existing asset. For example, I'm going to search for a linear asset here that I already created before. We can see the asset tab that is a linear asset, as the linear checkbox is marked, and here we're going to the map tab and open the identify tool. In the upper part of the map, we can see the toolbar. In the toolbar, we can recognize the identify tool icon by an I letter inside the blue symbol. When we click the icon, the identify dialog is opened, displaying to us the current tolerance of the identify tool. In the identify dialog, we can change the tolerance of the tool by using the slide bar, by clicking and dragging the marker, or clicking the buttons on the extremes of the bar. The default value for the tolerance is 10. The minimum value is 1, and the maximum value is 20. So far, all these features were already present in the previous version of Spatial. The difference is that now on Spatial 7603, we can see the tolerance of the identify tool visually, because now around our mouse pointer we can see a circle the size of the tolerance in pixels before clicking any feature on the map. As we move the pointer on the map, the circle follows it, allowing us to have a better idea of the features that we are going to identify. In this example, the map for this site was configured to show the layers of a water system. We can see the water lines in blue. We can see hydrants as a red and black cross, and several other features on the map. For instance, if we put the circle very near one of the features, but not containing them, and click, we're not going to find any feature information. When the gray circle contains at least part of the feature geometry, when we click, we are going to see a dialog with the information of the attributes of the feature identified. When we zoom in or zoom out, the tolerance circle size in pixels is the same. The tolerance circle is valid for identifying features and also for linear asset specifications. For instance, if we click in the part of our linear asset that's highlighted to having a specification on it, we can see that the feature was identified as well as the asset specifications. Now let's see how the maximum tolerance circle looks like on the map. And how the minimum tolerance circle looks like. It's very small, it's harder to identify features using it, because you have to click exactly in the feature geometry, but you are more certain that you won't identify features that you don't want. Now let's see how the tolerance circle behaves when we alter the zoom. We can see that the tolerance circle size is the same in pixels, And even when we don't see the features on the map, we are using the minimum zoom, we can identify features. When we move the pointer out of the map, we don't see the tolerance circle anymore. We don't see the tolerance circle until we move the mouse pointer back to the map. And we move the mouse pointer in again, we're going to see the tolerance circle another time. The same happens when we move the mouse pointer over the identify dialog. Okay, that's it for this demo. Thank you very much.